driving in Newark, anywhere near Roseville Avenue, coming straight across Roseville Avenue, right by Roseville Church, before you get to a crossover there by Orange Street, the sheriff's department has this lady right here crossing back and forth across the street because they're trying to fill their ticket quota, and they have her crossing in front of people's cars, and if you don't stop for her, she's calling in with her walkie-talkie, giving them your license plate, and they're pulling you over at the next corner to give you a ticket for not letting a pedestrian cross because the Essex County Sheriff's Department is trying to fill their quota. We've watched this lady walk back and forth, and everyone is getting tickets if you're not stopping for her. She's gonna pull out, just watch her. She's gonna walk over here, she's gonna walk over there, she's gonna walk over here, and people, look at the people down there, you see the lights? People are getting pulled over for this because Essex County Sheriff's wants to fill their ticket quota for the year. Now tell me, how is that even legal? If you can't legally get your own number of tickets filled out and signed from the citizens, you're telling me that illegally you're going to play somebody to walk the streets back and forth to give people tickets for not letting the pedestrians cross? Look at this. How many times are you going to watch her walk back and forth? This is the Essex County Sheriff's Department doing this on Roseville Avenue in Newark. That's crazy. So if any of my people out here with their cars on the road, try to avoid Roseville Ave and Orange Street because this is totally illegal. And she's calling the cops down the street to tell them I'm recording her, but legally you can't do anything about it because I'm well within my rights to use my phone. Well, Jay Nevius, whoever you are, well, if it's not legal, if it's not illegal, it should be. So please, if you up here to give me any reasons why this should be okay, please get your ass off of my live. Look at this. That's horrible. Look at her. She got the walkie-talkie in her pocketbook. We just walked past and looked at it. That's horrible. Only Essex County Sheriff's Department. If you see a Spanish lady with a blonde ponytail, don't drive past her because she's trying to get you a ticket. That's a damn shame. That's horrible. Look, how many times she gonna keep crossing back and forth? Look, this is horrible. I'm trying to wait to see so I can actually catch the people getting pulled over up there. Hey, Lissy, this is what they're doing here on on Roseville Avenue, going across the Orange Street. The Essex County Sheriff's Department has this lady walking back and forth in this crosswalk in front of cars so they could get them. After she walks across and they don't stop for her, she's calling on her walkie-talkie to give them people's license plate, and they getting pulled over at the next corner for getting tickets for not letting a pedestrian cross in a crosswalk because Essex County Sheriff is trying to fill their quota for tickets for the year. Look at this. This is horrible. I never go live, but I'm going live for this because in my city, like, this is ridiculous. Hey, Lissy. Hey, Bernice. Look. And she probably doing a little bit of racial profiling too, because it's more blacks than anything. Look, well, here's the sheriffs. They're recording me now. Horrible. I guess I'm about to get in trouble. This is horrible.
Can we help you too?
This is my daughter. I could record things on my phone. I'm on the Facebook Live.
No, you can't actually, but when it actually interferes with...
But I know what y'all doing.
No, I'm glad you do.
I do.
So what I'm trying to say is when you do that...
Can I keep my phone up because I feel a little nervous? Y'all two men, y'all sheriffs, and my daughter's pregnant, and I don't...
Okay, good. Now, here's what the problem, ma'am. You can record all you want. You record it enough. You got to go because you're disrupting our detail.
Oh.
Like, we're recording you just like you're recording.
I know you are.
Like, you can't do this because you're going to, you're disrupting our detail, then we can lock you up. Okay?
Really?
For interfering. Yes, we can.
But
Okay?
y'all got
We're not
Come
out
on,
here
all
'cause
right,
we
come on,
want
let's
to.
go home.
We're out here because the state is making us do this.
Okay.
Okay? Not because we feel like saying, you know what? Let's go here. No. People getting hit when they're getting, you know, kids got hit. We're out here.
Of course. That's.
Not because we feel like being here. I got better things to do than just.
Come on, let's go
stand there.
home.
Have a
Okay.
nice day.
Come on, let's go home so we don't get arrested.